Alright, just the second video I'm gonna do on lamb. Got these lamb chops here. Got them from Costco. You can see these things are pretty daggum thick. But anyway, I work nights. I just got off and got home, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these things salted up. Some kosher salt, dry brown them. Put them on this pan and let them sit in the refrigerator until this evening. And I'll get them out and cook them on the Weber kettle over direct heat. Alright, so got them out on the rack here, patted them dry. I'm just going to dry brown with some Diamond Crystal kosher salt here. Get it on all sides. And get it in the refrigerator. Uncovered and let it sit in there. Help dry the surface out. Help protect the moisture, keep it from drying out. And plus that meat will absorb some of that salt. Help out with tenderness and flavor. I got them dry brown. Now I didn't cake it on there or nothing, but it does have a fair amount on there. That Diamond Crystal kosher salt's kind of flaky, so that stuff, it melts pretty quick. Absorbs into the meat. Really thick pieces, so I did put a fair amount on there. And all I'm gonna do is just put these in the fridge and let them chill out all day. So I decided to go ahead and add the pepper and garlic powder also. Didn't cake it on like ribs or brisket or anything like that, but I like black pepper, so I got enough on there for my taste. All right, get this grill fired up here. Lump charcoal. Get this thing fired up, clean the grate, get it good and hot, and then we'll get those lamb chops out here. Give this thing a good deep cleaning. I think it's about time to get a little crud around the sides there. You've seen me use that battery powered leaf blower in the smoker there. Kind of give it a boost, get it going good. For this, I bought one of these things right here on Amazon. This little blower. Now I don't really need it, but I'm just going to show you. See, I hold it back a little bit. Now it blows sparks everywhere. This little something to get it going good. But like I said, I don't need it now, but it will blow a bunch of sparks out. So you gotta be careful with it. If you got any dry grass or anything, I've got this on a paved driveway, so it ain't gonna hurt nothing out here. But anyway, just something come in kind of handy to help get your charcoal going. Everything ready to go out here. And I was looking, some people will just do them like that, and some people say they'll kind of put something on them, so I made a little concoction here. I'm just going to brush a little on there toward the end. All it is a little red wine vinegar, a little olive oil. People say they use lime, or lemon juice. I don't have any lemon on hand, but I like lime. Generally, I like lime better. So it's got just a little bit of lime juice in it, a little rosemary, and a little bit of chimichurri, dry chimichurri mix in the bottom. I'm just going to drizzle a little on there. I'll set them on there and put them on the indirect side for a few minutes. Throw a few wood chips in there. Just a little bit of smoke flavor. But yeah, these things are cool. Look like little T-bone steaks in there. It being wintertime, it'll be getting dark when I cook a lot out here. I work nights, so there's so many of these I'm going to have to kind of alternate them. Put a few over there and have a few over here, so I alternate them back and forth. I got enough room for direct heat, not without sacrificing my cool zone altogether and putting charcoal in a much wider area. That's something I don't like about shooting at nighttime with a light. Makes everything look so freaking dirty. It don't look that bad in the daytime. I don't even use those side tables really. I bought them. Thought it was a good idea, but I mean, I got that sitting there. I could take too long on these. Aiming for medium rare. I don't mind cooking with charcoal, but I don't want to eat charcoal. And I'm just flipping these about every 45 seconds or so, back and forth. Get a little char, a little sear, but not I don't want to burn them. And the ones over here haven't been on direct heat yet. I just got them hanging out. I'll move them over in a second once I pull these over to the cool zone. Alright, pulled those off the direct heat. Put those on. A little bit of this stuff right here will get it going. Fire lights up. Get that good little char on there. Just on and off, keep them moving. Got pretty good sear on all sides. So move them over there and try to get them all on the direct heat for a minute or two. And I'll pull them over here and let them kind of finish off. We just pulled these things off. Good. Hopefully they taste as good as they look and smell. Got these in, had a little rest on them. Cut in. That's what I like right there. Medium rare. About 135 was the internal temp. It's a problem with these videos that don't always show it. I'm gonna try to bite. So I'm gonna wrap this video up and go in there and eat while these things are still hot.